Hello learners, welcome back to Jaluja. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful building blocks in Python, that is operators. Don't skip even a second because I promise in just a few minutes you will feel like a real Python pro. Yes, your one like can push the video to 100 plus learners who really needed it. So smash that like button now. What are the operators? Imagine operators as tools like a hammer or a screwdriver that help us building things. In Python, operators help us perform operations on variables and values. Simple, right? Let's see them in action. Type of operators. There are n number of operators are there. Arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, identity operators, membership operators, like this n number of types of it. First, we'll have a word with the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, you know already these are used in basic maths like addition, multiplication, division, and floor division like this. Let's try to see the examples. So addition operator, already you know addition multiplication. Suppose a value is 10, b value is 20. If you need to add a plus b directly, you can add, the result will be 30 you are getting. In the same way, a minus b is nothing but you will get minus 10. So like this you will get. But a very important thing you need to understand, if you update pi value, then 22 by 7 if you observe, it is going to give fractional value, real number 3.14 something. But if you need exactly the whole number, not the fractional part, then you need to use 22. That floor division you need to use. This operator is called floor division operator. This is called floor division. Exactly, you will get the whole number, that is 3 you will get. Suppose if you need a fractional, that is nothing but remainder if you need, then you need to use modulus operator you need to use. Clear, right? And a very important one more operator is there, that is power operator. If you need to find power of any number, then 2 power, you can see 5 I am giving, that is 32. Next we are moving forward with another operator, that is nothing but what? Comparison operators. Comparison means are they same or not, bigger or smaller. Like that, some comparison if you need to do, these operators will help you. These returns true or false. Let's try to analyze. A value will be 10, b value will be 20. If a is greater than b or not, if you need to check a greater than b, less than means a less than b you need to use, or a not equal to b, like this you need to use the number of operators you can use for comparison purpose. We are moving forward with logical operators. Logical operators, when you need to check multiple conditions together, use logical operators. Like suppose x value will be 10 I am taking. Suppose x is present between 5 and 15 or not. If you need to check, then you need to write x is greater than or equal to 5 and x should be less than or equal to 15. Then you can see you are getting true. That means it is present between 5 and 15. Suppose if I want to check, if it is not present, then x greater than or equal to 5 or x less than or equal to 15. Any one condition need to satisfy, either greater than 5 or less than 15. In that case, it will be true. Like this, if you need to check these operators, you can use it. Suppose light on equal to, suppose true. Light is on. If you need to off, then you need to write what you need to write, not light on. Then you can see false. That means true or false. False you need to convert into true. In that cases, this operator will help. Assignment operator. Assignment operators generally help you assign or update values in a shortcut way. Let's try to analyze. You have x value will be 5. If you need to update to 10, x plus equal to 5 you can write it. Now you can print it x value, it is printing 10. Suppose if you need to multiply, x multiply equal to, if I written 3, then you can print it x value, it is printing 30. This is same like if you observe x into equal to 3, if you return this is same as x equal to x multiply with 3. That means it will multiply the result again, it is going to store into same variable. Am I clear? Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators, advanced ones, work on binary numbers, useful in robotics and embedded systems. You can observe here x equal to 10 I am taking. If you are doing complement of x, then it is going to do 1's complement and the result you will get that is minus 11 you will get. X value is 10 and complement of x is nothing but you will get 1's complement that is nothing but zeros. The binary format, whatever the numbers are there, zeros will convert it to ones, ones will be converted to 0. Finally, you will get the result is minus 11. Next one, membership operators. These membership operators check if a value exists in a list, string or dictionaries. That means if you have collection of data, if you need to cross check particular element is present or not, it will help you a lot. Now try to analyze name equal to I am going to take a Jolly John I am taking. The John is present in Jolly name or not. If you need to check, then you can say John in name. Yes, it's true. John is present in Jolly John. Yes. If you want to check, I am going to take a fruit equal to apple I am taking. So in this, so A is present or not, if you need to check, then A in fruit. Then if you given, then you can see A is also present in apple. So that's why it is condition is true. You will get the conditions like this. If you need to check some elements in bulk of data, it can help you. Next, we are moving forward with the identity operators. Identity is nothing but check if two variables are the same object in memory or not. That means you have two variables. These variables are belongs to same memory or not. For checking purpose, it will help you. Let's try to analyze. I will take x value 1, 2. X equal to 1, 2 and 3. Like this collection of data I am taking. Another variable y equal to 1, 2, 3 I am taking. Now you can see the variables memory we will cross verify. X is y. If I return, then you are getting false. Why? Because both memory locations are different. But if you use x equal to y, the operator, that is assignment operator, comparison operator, if you use it, then comparison operator, what it will do, it will check the content. Content is same, so true you will get. So is and is not is there, x is not y. It is going to check memory locations, but x not equal to y. If you observe, this is going to check the content. I hope you understood this. Wow, from arithmetic to identity, you just learned the real magic behind Python operators. Remember, small concept today, big coding success tomorrow. Trust me. Every like you give helps this video reach 100+ new learners. So please like, comment operators and share with your coding buddies. And don't forget to subscribe, because next video we will decode conditional statements with real life example. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep coding. What operators was your favorite? Drop in the comment. So